What's the meaning of cancerous? Cancerous. Cancerous.
Cancerous. Cancerous. The term cancerous refers to a condition where there is uncontrolled growth and spread of anomalous or diseased cells. Cancerous cells can invade nearby tissues and organs, and can also spread to distant parts of the body through the bloodstream and lymphatic system. In general, cancer is a serious and potentially life-threatening disease that requires prompt medical diagnosis and treatment. The severity and prognosis of cancer depend on various factors, including the type of cancer, its stage at diagnosis, and the patient's overall health and medical history.